In this video, I will be showing you how to make a retractable banner in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva homepage and type retractable banner into the search bar to see the available templates. There are plenty of professional designs to choose from, so I'll scroll through the results until I find one that works for my project. I really like this modern food promotion layout, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open the editor. First, I'll update the text to fit my new theme. I'll click on the main headings and change them to healthy and baked salmon. Then, I'll quickly edit the description text underneath to describe the salmon dish instead of chicken. Next, I want to replace the stock photos with custom images using AI. I'll head over to the Apps tab on the left and open Magic Media. In the prompt box, I'll type lemon baked salmon with asparagus and click Generate. Once the images appear, I'll choose my favorite and drag it directly over the main photo to replace it. I'll also swap out the smaller circular images to keep the food theme consistent. To get a bit more variety, I'll update my prompt to include signature sauces on the side and generate a new set of images. I'll drag one of these fresh results into the bottom image placeholder. Finally, I'll click on the background shapes and the text to adjust the colors. I'm picking shades that complement the tones in the new photos to give the banner a polished, cohesive look. And just like that, you have a professional retractable banner ready for print.